I have to get on one of these boats. Not this boat. It looks as though it's about to sink. That queue is pretty massive. Cherry blossoms in full bloom. It doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any more picturesque than this, does it? I'm going to queue up, get on that boat. Is it better than the Philosopher's Walk? I feel so privileged to have been able to come here to Kyoto. Sorry everyone, bad news. I'm going to say something controversial here. This is Hunter, and today I have no idea where I am. Jinky stumbled upon this area yesterday and said, quote, "It's better than the Philosopher's Walk." So, of course, I have to see the place. I'm in Kyoto during the full bloom of the cherry blossoms, and if she's saying this is better than the Philosopher's Walk, I have to come and have a look. So, today's goals: what's the name of this place? And is it better than the Philosopher's Walk? Let's find out. I've only just got here, but already I can see that it's magnificent. The trees are in full bloom. I mean, this only lasts maybe a week or so. So, I mean, if we look down there, down the canal a bit, you'll be able to see the cherry blossoms there. We've got a boat down here, and apparently there's boats that run up and down this little canal. I have to get on one of these boats. Apparently they go up and down the canal for nearly an hour. Not this boat. It looks as though it's about to sink. But further down there, I'm going to queue up, get on that boat. It's going to be amazing. I'll take you along with me. Question is, will it be as good as the Swan boat in Manila? That queue is pretty massive, but I want to get on that boat down there. So those are the ones we're going to go in. Apparently it goes 50 minutes up and down the river. So let's go and see what that's like. I feel so privileged to have been able to come here to Kyoto during the absolute best time of year. Weather is fantastic. Cherry blossoms in full bloom. It doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any more picturesque than this, does it? I'm so happy, so lucky. Sadly, I have to leave Kyoto tomorrow, but I have enjoyed my month here. And I think the highlights would be, of course, seeing the cherry blossoms in full bloom. Finally! Lifetime goal achieved there. Also just going out in the evening, having the usual sakes, the nomi hodais, naughty, which is unlimited booze if you haven't done that yourself. Then you have to pay something like $10 and then you can drink for like 1.5 hours, anything you like. Other highlights include climbing up the mountain with all those red torii gates. I really enjoyed that. In fact, I did it twice in the end. Absolutely loved it. Of course, seeing the Philosopher's Path, amazing. Visiting Maruyama Park many times, including the first time before the cherry blossoms were out. So it's really interesting, the stark difference, with just a few days difference between like nothing, just this kind of barren park, and then seeing after that when all the cherry blossoms were out. That was quite eye-opening, just the sheer difference. And then, wait, go and see the video, just go and see the video. This is pretty, eh? Sorry everyone, bad news. I just spoke to a couple of Aussies who had been on the boat trip, and they say it's not that 1 hour or 50-minute lovely boat ride. It's only about 10 minutes, if that. They then dump you off at this museum, all in Japanese, and it's just like a few minutes back again. So it's not that full 1 hour boat ride that I was hoping for. Swan boat in Manila still wins. I mean, seriously, how pretty is this? Everything you could possibly want. Okay, so it looks like this place is called Fushimi, and this is the history of the Uji River. So after Kyoto, I'm heading down to Osaka for about a month. Do follow me as well on the channel, obviously. Subscribe, notify if you want to know any more about Japan, and then it'll be Tokyo after that. So here we go, Kyoto, Osaka, Tokyo, 3 months total. Let's really enjoy what Japan has to offer. It's been closed for so long. It's great to be back in this wonderful country. Alrighty, I'm going to say something controversial here. In my humble, personal opinion, this place is better than the Philosopher's Path because it's just nothing like as crowded as the Philosopher's Walk. Believe me, it was packed down either side of the pathways there. So this is much nicer. It's much more empty. It's not packed with tourists or anywhere like that. And it's just two beautiful avenues of cherry blossoms. And of course you have the canal and you have the boats. You got everything here. This is better than the Philosopher's Path.
Mind happy, man, the focus is strong. And everybody wanna tell me that I'm doing it wrong. I don't care, dog, man, I'm back in the month. Cause I be doing a bigger picture, man, it's something you want. Yeah, they want a piece of this life, and they want some purpose. They hope that one day they can really get it, it's worth it, I know. Hey, some people deserve it, but you just gotta put the time in. Make it a work, and you gotta go hard and go strong and give it all. You gotta follow your purpose and really get involved. You gotta grab it and breathe it and really live it all. Cause that's the only way that you can get it all. Yeah, homie, listen, that's the only way. Do you wanna go commit? Press and put another spray. Kill the enemy, just take it down and find a way. But you just gotta follow it, you cannot really waste yo. You cannot really go and waste your life. Cause otherwise you're still living, but you won't survive. Cause you'll be killed on the inside by your mind. Cause you'll be stuck in that 9 to 5. Yeah, 9 to 5, man, you mother hate it. You just wanna be at home and be creative. But that's the way to do it, that's the way that you can make it. You just gotta manifest it, you gotta just go and chase it. Yeah, go and chase it. Otherwise you end up like the rest, yeah, living hella basic. Yeah, sitting inside some shitty basement. Think about your jobs every day, you just complacent. Yeah, man, you wish that you just chase it. Wish that you done did it, you wish you made it. But you did it. And now every day you think, man, I don't get it. Yeah, you don't get it, man, you feeling so upset. Man, you looking at the world and you feeling so oppressed. Man, you wish that you could fix it, but you know it that you can't. Only thing that you can fix is your motherfucking self. Yeah, focus on your health, yeah, focus on your wealth, and focus on your future and focus up on yourself. And you can really do it if you want to, my man, but you just gotta give it all, yeah, give it a chance.
Going to wrap up recording here, but I would like to say that if you are in Kyoto and you do have the time after the Philosopher's Path, really do come here. In my opinion, as I said, I think it's better than the Philosopher's Path. Really do come here if you can. Please do subscribe to this channel. As I said, I'll be in Japan for about 3 months in total, so if you want to see any more Japanese videos, and then after that, back in the Philippines, so if you love the Philippines as well as Japan, subscribe to this channel now. See you!